Hi, this is Angie with Grandma Creates, and today we're going to make a taped canvas painting. Okay, we're going to start with a 16 by 20 canvas. Actually, you can get any size canvas that you want. I just happen to have these on hand. And then I had some of this paint. I also got a couple more paints. It's just the apple barrel from Walmart paint, and they cost about 50 cents each. You might notice I have this big one. I've had that on hand, so I'm going to go ahead and use all of that too. I'm going to use some paper plates. Actually, I think these are styrofoam. Just something to put the paint in. So we're going to go ahead and use those with it. And I just got these foam brushes, these cheap foam brushes. I believe these were like 49 cents at Walmart. So we're going to use these as well. The last thing that we're going to need is some painter's tape. I recommend the thinner tape because the thick tape can be kind of bulky and you wouldn't be able to see the words very well. So we're going to go ahead and do that. The first thing that you want to do is tape your words. I'm going to go ahead and tape. Jackson is my youngest grandson, so I'm going to go ahead and tape his. My other two grandkids, and I'll show you a clip of these, but they've already completed their tape paintings, so I'm just going to go ahead and help Jackson because, you know, he's just born, so he won't be able to do his, so I'm going to have to help him out. So we'll go ahead and try to get the whole thing in here. Now, I wasn't able to get the whole, my granddaughter's name is Charlotte, so I wasn't able to get all of her name in there, but we just used Char because sometimes we call her that anyway, so it worked out. And it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, I kind of like it when it's not really perfect. It's just kind of cute. Just want to make sure that you press everything down really well. Just kind of line it up however you would like. You can always tear some off. I'm not for sure if we're going to be able to get all of his name. We'll try it. your kids will probably be doing this. It's a great activity for your kids to do. And mine, even the 1-year-old, I love doing this. So this is what it kind of looks like, right side. And so that's Jackson. I had to kind of cut over the, go over the edge of the, for the end, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna make sure all of these are down pretty good. Like I said, they don't have to be perfect. And then I will take my paint, any color that you want, it doesn't really matter. This one that I'm using right now is called English Navy. So we'll go ahead and do that. You don't want to put too much, but just as much as you want to. And I'm also, I did this with the other two, so I'm going to go ahead and do it with this too. We're going to make a heart, just because it's cute. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just use your paintbrush and just kind of get pretty good there, pretty good little amount, and brush it. Just brush it over one letter. Okay, so there's that one. And let's see, then we're going to make yellow out of the second one. This is called Sunny Day. Like I said, these are just the paint that I had on hand, so that's what I'm going to use. I just got a clean brush, just like this. Oh, it's going everywhere. Okay, here we go. And you'll get a little bit of the paint from the other side on it. That's okay. Okay. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use the red. This is called Bright Red. Use a clean brush. The next paint, we'll go with the green, and this is called Christmas Green. I'm not going to get up to the heart part of it because I'm going to paint that a different color. So I'm just going to go up as much as we can. And okay. Okay, so the next one that I will be using will be it's just called black. And then we're going to use a pumpkin orange. So that's what that looks like. my last one for this name will be, I'm just going to paint the heart. And we're just going to paint it pink. And this is called Pink Parfait. So that's that one. And I'll put links to all of these products down below. And you can also go to my website. I'll have a blog post ready there where you can, I'll just put links to the Amazon on there, so you can just purchase them from there. Make it a little easier for you with the list. And you know, with grandkids, we don't have them all the time. If I had him here, which I might do later, I'll add like a handprint or a footprint somewhere on this. So we're gonna let this dry. I'm gonna turn this around so you can see it. This is what it looks like when it's wet. Not yet. I'm gonna let it dry completely and show you what I do afterward. Now that the paint is dry, I'll go ahead and show you the finished product. I'm going to turn it around so you can see. And all you need to do is peel off the tape. Now when your kids do this, they're probably going to have a lot of paint on here, so it may take a lot longer to dry. I know my 4-year-old grandson had like globs of paint everywhere, so it took a little while for it to dry, but that's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It was still cute, and I'll show you his. You just need to peel those off. Okay, and that's it. His taped canvas painting. So I really love how these turn out. They're so much fun. They can be as messy as you want. They don't have to put each color for each letter. They can just put one big color if they want to. It just depends on, like I said, their age. My 1-year-old granddaughter, I did help her with the paint, but she pretty much did it herself, and she was really good. She's really good at just letting me guide her. But like I said, if they're a little bit older and they want to just use do the whole painting, that's in just one color, that's fine too. I help them by taping it off. So I taped everything first, and then I took it to them, and then they just went to town painting. So anyway, there's Jackson's. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video and want more of these kind of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button, and to be notified of any other videos that I put out. Also, I love to read your comments, so just put a comment down below if you've tried this craft, or if you're going to in the future. If you love it, then leave a comment down below. So thanks for watching.